everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see by the title and also my attire, we are starting Christmas early up in here. So in today's video, I thought it would be a great idea to basically do a little Christmas gift guide for you guys. I know that purchasing gifts for friends and family can be a little bit stressful, to say the least. So I am here to make your life a little bit easier and less stressful around Christmas time, and hopefully give you guys some amazing gift ideas that you can give to your friends and family, and maybe even pop them on your Christmas list if you don't know what you would like. I've actually tried to keep everything under sort of like £30, so I'm hoping that it's gonna be super affordable for you guys and you can get some awesome ideas. I'm really excited because this video is actually in collaboration with Disney, which I am so over the moon about. You guys know how much I love Disney. I always go on about it on my channel, and to finally be working with them on a video is just so exciting for me. So I've got quite a few Disney bits to show you guys, which they have really kindly sent me for this video, and I feel like it's just gonna be perfect for a Disney lover. So if you have anyone like that in your family, just wait till you see what I've got. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you come and join the dinosaur family by subscribing down below. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so to begin this Christmas gift guide, I have my first product right here, which is a duvet set with Mickey and Minnie on it, which is just honestly life goals. It matches my jumper too, which is great. But this is honestly such a cool present for someone who loves Disney. It's Christmassy and it's got Mickey and Minnie all over it. So what more could you want? This is actually a double duvet set. They might do different sizes, but I got the double one just because I felt like it would be really nice in the guest bedroom. And this was £22, which I feel like for a nice, good quality duvet set is not expensive at all. This duvet set is actually reversible, so you can have this side and this side. So it kind of means you have two duvets in one, which is great. So yeah, absolutely love that. I would totally want this myself if I didn't already have it. Next up, we have some face masks from Disney. These are in collaboration with Mad Beauty, and these are the Disney princesses face masks. So we have Princess Jasmine, we have Belle, we have Ariel, Cinderella, and also Aurora, which are like all of the Disney princesses pretty much, and these are £4 each, so they're super affordable, and I just love that they're Disney themed and you can buy like your favorite princess. I just feel like these would be amazing stocking fillers for someone who loves a good old face mask. I've actually bought these before and I love them so much. They really moisturize my skin so well, so I would 100% recommend these. Now the next gift idea is another more of a stocking filler sort of present, and it's actually a Marvel set of bath fizzers. Now this is a great present because it's kind of like unisex. You could gift it to a guy or a girl. So yeah, I really love these. I can't wait to put these in my bath. These were only £5. So again, a super inexpensive gift that you could just get for a friend or family member and just basically put it up in their stocking. So inside come 3 different bath bombs. We have the Hulk one, we have a Captain America, and the last one I think is Iron Man, which is pretty cool. I love my superheroes. So yeah, I feel like this would be a great gift or stocking filler for anyone of any age. The next gift idea is another stocking filler type of gift, and it's a Tangle teaser that is actually in collaboration with Minnie Mouse, which I just love that so much. So this was actually £13.50, and I feel like that's a pretty standard price for a Tangle teaser. I have so many of these. Tangle teasers are like my favorite brush ever, so I know this is going to be amazing. It does come with the little cap as well, so it means that you can travel with it. Again, I would love this as a stocking filler because I love Minnie, and I mean, it's a Tangle teaser. It's always going to come handy. Now the next gift is something a little bit more fun for the whole family. It's actually a Disney sing-song challenge, which I just think is a great gift for anyone who loves Disney. So basically on the back it says, sing and laugh out loud, sing your favorite Disney songs to prove that you are the Disney song champion. But if you mess up, you gotta spin the wheel of fun sequences. So I feel like this will be a great game for the whole family. Even if someone got this at Christmas Day, I feel like that's just gonna be such a fun game to play. I don't know about you guys, but I love playing board games and just games in general with all my family at Christmas. So I feel like something like this would be so much fun to play with your family. And if you're wondering, this cost $28.99, and yeah, I just honestly feel like this would be so much fun. I can't wait to play it. Now the next couple of gifts are a little bit more related to homeware. So if there's any of your family members that love a bit of home decor, I have picked out some amazing gifts from RX Home. So I've got these amazing candles, which are probably like the coolest candles I have ever seen in this world. So basically this is what they look like. So we have a deer, we have a unicorn, and also a cat for all you cat cat lovers out there. Now, the reason why these are super cool and really unique is because they are actually geometrical in shape, so they actually have the shape of the animal. And the best part is that when you actually burn this candle, it kind of reveals this metallic skeleton underneath. So even though the candle has burnt out, you still have a metallic gold skeleton out of it to kind of keep as a keepsake, and you can kind of watch it melt away and reveal the really cool skeleton underneath, which I just think is so unique. So I feel like if any of your family or friends love a good old candle, this is honestly going to be such a cool and unique gift. Now, Christmas is all about family, friends, but let's not forget about our pets as well. So I actually have a cute little gift that you can give to your cat if you have one, and it's actually this adorable little bowl from RX Home as well. It basically just says, "I'm a cat, what's your superpower?" And I just love this so much. My cat Sky already has one of these, and I just feel like it's such a cute little gift that you can give to your cat for Christmas. Now, this next gift idea is for someone who you don't really know what to get them for Christmas. Let's be honest, we all have that one person in our life, but I feel like music is the one thing that pretty much everyone likes. So I thought it would be a really good idea to get someone a shower speaker. So I have these two from the brand Typo. So we have this really cool watermelon shower speaker, and then also we have a Disney Mickey Mouse one as well. This one is really cute because it's like light pink, and then it's got little Mickey Mouse and stars all over it. But yeah, I feel like these are super versatile for anyone who loves music, and yeah, it's just a really cool thing to get someone, I feel like. I think these were around 20-ish pounds, but I will leave them down below so you guys can check them out yourself. Now, the next gift is another gift that I feel like would be perfect for someone who you don't really know what to get. Perhaps it's like an acquaintance or someone at work. So I got this little notebook from ASOS, and I feel like this would be a really cool gift because it's a 1 line a day notebook. So it's like a 5-year memory book where you can literally just write 1 line a day and document your life like that. So I feel like it's a really great way to like hold kind of like a diary, but it's low maintenance. So yeah, I feel like this would be a really cool gift. So this little notebook was actually $11.99 on ASOS. So I feel like it's a great inexpensive gift, especially if you're doing like Secret Santa. This would be amazing. And the next gift is also another one that I feel like is quite versatile. Anyone would really enjoy and appreciate this, and it's basically a little smartphone ring light which you can just attach to your phone. It will make your selfies look 10 times better. So if you know anyone who is very like tech savvy and like this kind of thing, this is honestly a really cool gift idea. And honestly, it was really affordable as well, as it was only $9.99. So as it's wintertime around Christmas, I feel like everyone loves to drink a good hot cocoa and also tea. So I feel like mugs are a really good idea as a present. So the first one I've got is this adorable chip mug from Beauty and the Beast. I actually got this on ASOS. It was only $9.99, which I was like, what the hell, that's so affordable. It does come in a white little box, which isn't really that fancy, but I mean, it's the mug that counts. So I honestly would love this as a gift. I love Beauty and the Beast, and yeah, it looks just like him from the movie. And then we have another mug. This could also be a gift for a guy because it is from the Avengers Infinity War, and it's the Gauntlet mug. It's basically like a Thanos hand with all of the Infinity Stones in it. This one was a little bit more expensive than the chip mug. This one was actually $12.99 on ASOS, but in the grand scheme of things, for a mug this cool, I feel like that's actually pretty good. Now, next up, we have the beauty category of this gift guide. So I'm gonna move on to some things that you could gift to all of the ladies and even guys in your life. But the first one I have is a really cool little calendar. It's a 12 days of bath and body from Disney in collaboration with Primark. This was actually £15, and I don't actually know what's inside. I might just give it a little cheeky crack open. Okay, I don't want to ruin it because it looks so pretty, but this is how it looks when you open it up. It's just so adorable. So basically what comes inside is just a bunch of bath and body. We have some shimmer bath fizzers, we have a bubble bath, body mist, body wash, that kind of thing. So I feel like anyone who loves a little bit of pampering would really appreciate this. So the next item is an item from I Heart Revolution. It's basically like a sister company to Makeup Revolution. I've done a couple of videos on testing these products before, and I love this one so much. If I got this gift under the Christmas tree, I would probably cry of happiness. It's basically a set of the 3 chocolate palettes. This is what it looks like. And then on the inside, We have this, which looks just so cool. Like, I love this packaging. So this was actually £30, but it has £33 worth of product inside. So essentially you get this little chocolate heart highlighter for free pretty much, and you get this adorable packaging that you can give to someone. So inside, this basically has the red velvet makeup pigment palette, the peanut butter cup palette, and also the praline chocolate face palette, along with the chocolate heart highlighter inside. I am a sucker for packaging, so I just feel like this would be amazing for any makeup lover. Now for the next gift idea for a makeup lover, I have this right here, which is really cute. This is the Benefit Confection Cuties set. So it basically just looks like a cute little cake, and when you pull the top off, it's got 3 miniature products inside. It has the Professional, it's got the Roller Lash Mascara, and also the Gimme Brow in tiny little travel sizes, which I think is adorable. This was, I'm pretty sure, £20, so I feel like you get your money's worth because all of these products separately are quite expensive. The next makeup item gift idea I have is the Too Faced gift set, which is just the cutest thing ever again. This is the Under the Christmas Tree Breakaway Makeup Palette and Mascara. So this is what it looks like. I mean, the packaging is just absolute goals. It's got little cute like rabbits and bunnies and dogs and everything. This is what it looks like inside. It's basically made up of 3 different palettes which make the Christmas tree, and also a mini size mascara. So just for a little sneak peek, this is what the palettes look like. They are honestly the cutest thing ever. Look at that. That has just fallen out. Now this is the gift that is slightly more expensive. This is actually £46 on Debenhams. So I feel like this would definitely be suited for someone very special, like your mom or sister. Obviously Too Faced is more of a premium brand, so I feel like that is why it's a little bit more expensive, but I just thought I would feature it in this as well, just because I really love the packaging. Now the next gift idea is again for someone who likes to pamper themselves a little bit, who likes, you know, bath and body stuff. This I actually got from Boots for $18.25. It's basically a set of bath stuff from Being by Sanctuary. This is my favorite smell of the whole range. It's the Chili Mango and Tonka Bean bubble bath. There's also the body lotion. We have a mini hand cream. Also, we have the Mango Warming Clay face mask. And lastly, we have the shower gel. So I feel like you get quite a lot of products here for £18, so I feel like it's well worth it. And last, we have some more bath and body related items. I actually picked up a set of the Body Shop hand creams. This is their new Christmas range. So this basically contains 3 different scents from their Christmas range, which has the Candy Cane Peppermint. It's also got the Berry Bonbon. And lastly, one of my faves, it's got the Vanilla Marshmallow, which just smells divine. This cost £15. So again, I feel like it's a great present for someone who loves hand creams, body butters, that kind of thing. And it would also make a great gift for Secret Santa. And lastly, I thought this was another really cool thing to get someone as a stocking filler. And that is basically a little Christmas cracker that has a Body Shop hand cream inside. This is the Shea or Shea. How do you pronounce that? I never know. But yeah, this is just so cute. I just thought it's so Christmassy, and again, really inexpensive too. So those are all of my Christmas gift ideas. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful. If you guys would also like to see a guy version of this, so maybe what to get for your dad, brother, boyfriend, that kind of thing, then let me know down below and I might do one. Let me know down below which items of these was your favorite, and let me know also if you are going to get any of these items for any of your family members, and if so, who. I will have all of the links down below, so feel free to check them out for yourself. Again, thank you so much to Disney for collaborating with me on this video. I had so much fun filming this. You guys know Disney and Christmas are like my 2 favorite things. But yeah, that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!